Want to take better photos? Here are the 4 L's that will help. Here at Creative Compound, I feel that the visual medium of photography has a powerful way of telling a story through images. There are 4 things I have noticed over the course of my career that are the most important in order to take good photos. Lens. You have probably wondered why your iPhone pictures aren't up to par with the other pictures you see out there. The lens is the most likely reason for that picture you are admiring. Lenses control depth of field and focus. A good picture is either really wide or close up, and it is hard to achieve that with an iPhone. Light. This is essential. It can be sunrise or sunset to get that warmer light, or even that middle of the day harsh light where you can find a nice shadow to make it work. Play and experiment with light, and you can develop new techniques and styles that will deliver good photos. Location. Where you stand to take the photo or where you actually are when taking the photo is important. The location should add to the photograph somehow, whether the lines bring you into the main subject or the background adds color and texture. I like when the subject stands out as much as possible, so I prefer neutrality in my background. Little bit of luck. Photojournalism and capturing a special moment only happens by taking a lot of pictures and by being in the right place at the right time. So go out, take some photos, and try your luck.